2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, remote start, keyless entry, traction control, power liftgate, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, power door locks, CD player, clock, power windows, fog lights, side airbag, dual power sliding doors, tachometer, overhead console, daytime running lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.